Young nigga, now they all wanna come with you, wanna have the fun with you, but they don't wanna split the funds with you, nope. Come get you, wait till my boys come get you. Smoking one with you, damn baby, I'm just having fun with you. People be watching my ways, I know, they tryna copy my way, no. People be plotting on me, I know, they make a promise, it ain't for sure. Why do they all love to waste my time? Why do they all wanna take what's mine? Lately I'm stressing but say it's fine. I don't got nothing to say but vibe with me, slide with me, come and spend the night with me, get high with me, drop your phone, let it die with me, like feels right to me. Burn bread, no toaster, yeah. Late night getting closer, yeah. Put you on the wall like a poster, yeah. Sex drive our chauffeur, yeah. Just a young nigga on the way up. Don't sleep, I stayed up. Ay, yeah. I'm a jiggy young boy, I'm a soldier. Fell in love with the Dodie and the Doja. Talk to them like they got recorders, didn't go. Supreme with the James and she lie. I'm connected in my city like Wi-Fi. On the move in your city like a drive-by. Can't stop till we running on both sides, yeah. Can't stop till we running on both sides, yeah. East side to the west side, yeah.
Yo, what's up? This guy in from Denny's and shit. Yo, my man wasn't really keeping y'all updated. It's just like the homie was on the move. Yeah, man, had a great time. Yeah, shout out to everyone that I've met. Shout out to JBM. Shout out to John for busting my eardrums, dude. But yo, I always have a great time at JBM. That's why another reason why I didn't want to leave. Are you having fun?
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.